Okay, this is the Sub-Zero ice making system behind this juice rack. We'll take that off. Notice those two slots there, that's what holds the rack up. And you pull out the bucket. There's your auger, and then up on the top is the ice maker. And now we'll show you how to take that all apart. And the freezer has one here, one there, one there, all right. Now a little plug here, just plug that out, take that out. This is the light bulb, but this is a thermal switch that protects the light from burning or cooking your food. If the light switch ever went bad and the light stayed on, this thermal switch is designed to shut the light off so it doesn't cook your food. And believe me, I've seen that before. Now here's your ice maker. We don't have to remove this bracket to take the ice maker out, but it's a lot easier if you do. Okay, so that'll be our next step. Okay, I said I was going to show you how to take this ice maker out. So let's do that. I like to take this whole frame off. You could take these 3 screws out, but it's very difficult to get it back in because you have to push the ice maker up so that the fill tube sits inside the cup. So hold on to them. Okay, just kind of work it down, pull it out. Let's see, this is the ice maker, it's plugged in over here. There's a fill tube. This is a fill tube heater. Sometimes these go bad and this fill tube will ice up. Your fan is over here. Your evaporator coil, your fan is on here. You take this cover out and the fan will come out. It slides right out. So that's how you take the ice maker out. If you want to change the ice maker, then you have to change 1, 2, 3. Take these screws out, and sometimes you have to be careful because if these are really tight, you could wind up stripping the screws. So other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Okay, here you see I have the ice maker out, and it's attached to this bracket. This is called a rudder. This senses the level of cubes in the tray, in the bucket. And this is a gear type ice maker. There's also a module type you may see in some Sub-Zeros. This you can turn manually, but you cannot turn the modules. So this is how we plug it in. Just like this, until you hear that little click. Push this in so the fill tube is in the cup, and then get some screws started. Okay, here's your troubleshooting guide, ice maker. Everything's explained how it works, how to troubleshoot it, and to shut it off. This is just a And this model, you don't have to worry about this because you can't get to the arm anyway. But this cover just snaps on here like this. This light, these wires are for the panel that goes in the front here, which we'll do next. Okay, put this panel on here. First plug in the lights. Okay. There's 2 screws here in the bottom. There's also screws up here. Okay, these really short screws right here are for the bottom. It goes in there. There's a light bulb in here. This slides out. To get at it, just slide this forward. There's another light bulb there. Okay, so when you're finished, put the bucket back in, push it in, like so. You take your juice rack, and you hang it on those 2 slots, like so. And that's the Icemaker system. Thank you for watching.